Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the last stream. My name is Gray to the B to the T to the C to the moon. And I haven't gone live for a couple of days now. It's been the World Cup and on and on. I can give several excuses, but the reality is that I miss you guys, and it's been a long time. I spent the last few days at the in Abu Dhabi at the F1 Grand Prix, and obviously Max won, and it was an incredible time because I had spent time with the freaking F1 drivers and we partied together. It was an amazing experience. So I will make a video very soon about it to show you guys how it was. But tonight, I know it's World Cup and all that, so everybody's busy with watching the football. But I just want to give you an update on the trading, the day trading that we have been doing, the competition of growing a small account of $100. I'm still on that. I'll also give you an update on flipping NFTs. A lot of people are sleeping on this, but there's a real opportunity to make money on that. And I'll show you what I'm doing and what my strategy is right now on the NFTs. And most importantly, Litecoin. Yo, we're still on the W on the Litecoin trade since we talked about it. The market has been struggling except for Litecoin. So I told you, if you are enjoying riding Litecoin, the Litecoin wave, please destroy the like button for me right now. Okay? And thanks to everybody who has been, who recently subscribed and has been destroying the like button also in all the previous videos. I appreciate you guys. Quickly, we're going to look into some technical analysis, and then I'll also read your comments. If you have anything else you want me to talk about, I will be more than happy to talk about it. Can you help me? Can you hear me perfectly? Can you hear me properly? Let me know in the chat, and then we'll get into it. So I will get on my screen immediately because I'm here for a fun time and not for a long time. If you want to be part of the challenge, of the trading challenge right here, guys, I have a link down in the description below. You can click that link. It will take you to Bybit. It's the exchange that I'm using for this trading challenge. Get a Bybit account using my link and make your first deposit. Deposit anything, $50, $100, whatever you have. And then you can start following the trades that I'm making. The capital for the daily trades that I'm making is $100. That's needed. Now I'll give you an update of what happened and all the previous calls that I've been giving you guys. Okay, everything that I mentioned in this video, links are always down in the description to make sure that nobody gets misdirected to something wrong. All right, let's get to it. Yeah. Hey. By the way, I lost $1,000 yesterday on baiting FIFA World Cup matches. I betted on Argentina to destroy Saudi Arabia. And to my surprise, Argentina got beaten. Like with Messi in there. My $1,000 gone like this. And that sucks. But I'm still doing the daily betting thing where when I win a bet, I'm giving the money away to my followers. So if you want to be part of that as well, I have a TikTok account. It's called graybtc.tv. You can make sure you're following it. Anyway, let's get to trading. We have so many people on the live stream. Very few likes, and that is not acceptable, especially when we're making money on the Litecoin. So do the right thing. Do the right thing, guys. Let's go. See my screen. Can you hear me properly? Loud and clear. I love it. I love the loud and clear. So this is what's happening, guys, in the market. What you're looking at is BTC USDT. We've been smashed right here due to the FTX stuff. And we've been swimming underwater for a few days now, a little bit of sideways. Only a few days here on the 20th. We completely broke down and tested the lower levels of 15,000 levels. And here, what I told you, we were short, and the market wasn't moving enough. We're still sideways a little bit, and we're in a little bit of profit on the daily trade. And when we got at these levels, I told you guys, let's sell for now, close the trade, because the market is unpredictable over the weekend. I made an announcement on my Discord server. If you're not in my Discord server, you're missing out, because tonight even we also have a party, literally in an hour from now. We have a Discord party where we're going to talk about a lot of things that I'm not going to share now. So I told you guys to open 2 trades, one long and one short, and close the one that's not working around here. And both of those, and that worked out really well. It means you closed the one that wasn't working at a stop loss, and the other one continued all the way down, and you tested the levels of 15,400. That was beautiful. And then I came back in 2 days ago, or was it yesterday at night? I told you guys, hey, I'm going short still because of these kind of reasons. Bitcoin had broken its leg, as you have seen here, obviously. And I expected the worst on Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And then that one got stopped. So I got stopped on my tracks. It means that I'm still here, stuck. And I'm still waiting for an entry position. But I did tell you in that call that, hey, even though we might see a major pump, is going to be a dead cat bounce or a boot trap, right? So you have to be careful with it. That a lot of people are getting fooled and thinking that this is the way the market will go. I do think that the weekend we're going to see a bloodbath. And remember, today is the Fed rate hike announcement. More likely going to put the market in some derangement. And if you look at the gaps in volumes and how the markets are moving right now, it's not really looking bullish enough. We could see a pump, but it will be very hard for Bitcoin to break all these levels. Right now, for a lot of things, the only way more likely to go is down. And I want us to be positioned for that. So I'll show you my account is down. Out of that $100 that we had, I'm now at a loss of $10. You can see I have $90.22 here. But it's not a problem. It happens. That's the thing with trading. You'll see I'm still going to get this money up. So right now, I'm still at a loss, and I'm just waiting for a good entry position to enter the position, and I'll share with you exactly what the next trade is going to be. Because of the longer swings that are happening in the market, it's more likely going to be a position building strategy instead of a quick in and out. And also considering that I haven't had time to focus on actively, trading for an hour constantly. It's just been hard with the World Cup and other things. So I will be sharing exactly what I'm doing on that so that you guys can follow on properly. All right. Just make sure you're in the Discord server. And the next thing we need to talk about, actually, let's talk about Litecoin specifically. Okay. And this is the Dogecoin trade I shared in the chat, by the way. This is exactly it. And if you pay attention to this trade right here, let me go back to my Bybit account. You can see here I still have the conditional order open. This trade did not go in. So I had set it up, but because the price of Dogecoin did not come down again, that trade didn't go up. It still stayed there. And that is what strategic trading is. You don't always enter because you feel like it. You wait for confirmation. So if had it gone down further, it means I would have entered that trade and gone down. But now, because I set it up as a conditional order to wait for the right conditions to hit before the trade is executed, it's just been sitting here waiting. It means I didn't lose any money whatsoever. Now I can cancel this because I can find now a more favorable entry position, actually, because Dogecoin did a little bit of a pump. On the 4-hour, it's starting to look bullish, but I don't really trust this. I think it's a bear trap, and a lot of people will get caught up. I do think that this is not going to go above 85 cents again and break this resistance level over here. Especially on the weekend, I will share again what the play is going to more likely be here. If I had to call down the volumes here, you would also see that nothing really exciting on the Doge trade to take serious with. And you look, we have traded Doge already on a big trade where it was like, what, 80 cents all the way to 11, right? I gave you that trade. We make money, and trust me on this one. Not financial advice, but I think we're also going to make a killing if we enter at the right short position and the market continues to tumble and rumble. Destroy the like button. Fight. All right. Next thing that I wanted to cover with you guys is Litecoin. Where's the Lighty coin? $80, baby. $80 on that Litecoin LTC. Hey guys, it's amazing. It's amazing. So amazing. It's amazing. You know that song by Kanye West? He was talking about Litecoin. So these are the sticks that Litecoin is printing. And I told you guys, do not sleep on Litecoin. Just look at the volumes right now. This baby is going to explode further. $100 is incoming. The market has been crashing, but Litecoin has been really, really, really unaffected. So somebody here says, hey, please update your Discord link. I get an error when I'm entering Discord. Okay, I will change it. Thank you for telling me that, this is Farid. I will definitely change that up after the last stream. But this is Litecoin going on, but there is a little bit of trouble right now. On the last 4 hours, the volumes have been depleting quite heavily. So I do think in the next few days, we might see a Litecoin reversing a little bit before it continues. So here's a trade on the Litecoin. It's safe for you to open a short on Litecoin after this massive pump on a high cap coin like this. So you could enter a short position. Okay. You could short it from here all the way down to say the bottom of the last candle. That's a 10% movement. If you leverage that by 3x or 5x, it's a lot of money. And you can put your stop loss somewhere around there. All right. This is a ratio of 2.65, so it's okay. Your stop loss is at 81 cents. That's a huge move for Litecoin to move again. However, if it starts going up and it breaks this level again, be sure that it's going to $100 that day. So you can also put a conditional order then. This can be a trade that can be open right now, but then you could also put another order that is long, but only from 81.97, like that. So it's something like this. And this, you can take it to $100. So this is how I'm rolling with Litecoin, and I think this trade on its own, both of them are more likely to work, but before it continues pumping up, it is more likely to kind of go down a little bit or sideways until it breaks out again. And with the dump in volumes that we're seeing here in the red, it's very likely that Litecoin, if you pay attention to the volumes here, you'll see that it hasn't dumped in volume constantly like this for a very long time, for a few days at least. So this is a good sign that a lot of people are taking profit. The ones like me who entered at $49, $50, $51 are starting to take profit. Okay, some of you are watching the live stream for free. I'm giving you ways to make money, but you're not even liking my live stream. That is unacceptable. A lot of you guys are haters. You watch the live stream behind the scenes, but you don't want to even like the video. Like, come on, don't be a hater. So I know even my haters make money off my trades and stuff, but they never really come. They never really come to light publicly to say that, to even go on Twitter and Instagram and say, "Yo, great BTC, you made me so much money on the Litecoin trade. Thank you, man." It's all good. I just like to help people. All right. So next thing I want to talk about, this is a definitely money trade. Guys, we entered this trade when? Let's give ourselves some flowers for 1 second, man. God damn it. God damn it. Yes, that's for us. That's what we do. We trade and we make money. I mean, the last time we talked about Litecoin, if you remember, it was here. Look at all these red lines that we were drawing that day. They're still there, right? So we entered Litecoin at this red line from here. And now we're at 53% in how many days, really? You know, in a short period of time. So we're above 50% on one trade. That is an absolute beauty. And I have multiple other trades that I'm also looking at. I will share that tonight on the Discord party. So be sure you actually join in and you'll be there. But on the daily, Litecoin still looking strongly bullish, guys. The Nitrous Bull had already called it back then, and even 2 days of dumping here did not affect Litecoin in pumping. So whenever you see Litecoin taking a hit, just buy more because this baby is not stopping. It's all fundamentals at this point, guys. So be on the lookout. We're making trades like it's a cookout, you know. Lastly, let's go to the NFT flips. This is easy money for those of you guys who are paying attention for real. So now you've seen the volumes of these NFTs is growing like crazy right now. The prize pool now has $2 million in it. And the money on these trades will go to 3 teams. You remember when I was making the first video, we had $1 million here. Now we have $2 million. And if you click on, if you just go down here, you will see that everybody who's holding a Brazil NFT is getting $60 at this point, right? Everybody who is getting an Argentina NFT is at $69. But this pool I'm starting to see decline soon because of Argentina isn't performing as what people expected. Germany, $107 per wins currently based on the subscriptions, based on 12,000 holders. And Spain, $260. And some of them are even 1,000. I mean, look at Senegal. Senegal, 1,000. Australia, 1,100. Canada, $1,200 of distribution. So I think the smartest thing to do right now is to hold the top 3 teams. I would say France should be in that. England also should not be avoided. Hold all these, a little bit of these. And then for the rest, wait to see all the matches, how the other teams are performing. After you watch that, you should come in and start accumulating the teams that make sense. Because at the end of the day, it's up to 3 teams that will be 1, 2, and 3. All the money. So each pool right now, like this game, Morocco and Croatia, it was a draw game. Each team had $20,000 to win. It means that this money has been split into 2. Germany, Japan. Japan won. Oh my gosh. It's live still, but Japan is more likely winning. And this game means that $20,000 goes to Japan, in the Japan pool. So if Japan is really good, it means you can hold onto that NFT. Right now, it's cost $8, guys. $8 to buy the NFTs right now. If you end up with a winning team, trust me, it's probably going to be $5,000. If the team is an unpredictable one, it's going to be $5,000 for that, for the prize pool for everybody. If it's going to be an unpredictable team, let's say if Japan starts to do well, let's look at the Japan NFTs, how many subscribers it has now. So Japan right now, it only has 1,000 holders. If it beats Germany, a lot of people are going to start buying the Japan NFTs if Japan is doing well. And the price of this NFT is going to increase. So all I'm doing, I'm watching all these games, looking at the team, how they're performing. If I see something interesting, I'm buying that NFT. Because if, let's say, in the knockout stages, Japan destroys Brazil, all the money that is in Brazil right now have to be transferred into Japan, and then, I mean, mint will be over at that time. So a lot of people will now start buying the Japan NFTs. So let me actually mint a Japan one right now. God damn it. Mint Japan. Okay, so the teams are currently playing a match. Minting is currently closed. Check back after the game to mint your football team NFT. Okay, that's all right. But all these surprise teams. So like, look, this one, Saudi Arabia, it had almost nobody. Now it has 682 holders. If it wins again, the price of these NFTs are going to start to increase, especially if it makes it out into the knockout stage. So it is what it is. Oh, Ghana is 11,000, guys, because nobody is betting on Ghana. Imagine if you hold a bunch of them and Ghana makes it into the semifinals, guys. That's going to be interesting. How can I buy it? Okay, I made a video showing you guys how to do these NFTs. Basically, watch my World Cup NFT videos, and then you just have to mint, man. It's $10. $10 gives you 3 NFTs for free. I have a tutorial that I made showing you guys how to do it. Just watch that video, and you'll be able to mint your own nifties. Okay, so this is meant to be a quick live stream. I gotta go. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Let's keep trading. Let's keep flipping. Something is gonna give in. Of course, Enjoy the World Cup, and I'll see you on Twitter. For those of you who are joining us in the Discord party, I will see you in the Discord. If you're complaining about the link, I will update the link in 5 minutes after closing the live stream. So the Discord link, you can check it after 5 minutes. It should probably be fine. All right. Otherwise, I'm sharing the link again on Twitter. Actually, let me do it right now. Let me just share it in the chat right away. Okay, invite people, copy link. Okay, this is the link. You go, sir. You can join in with that link. Alrighty, my friends, I'll see you on the next stream. Peace out.